Hola mga kapatid, o di ba alam nyo na it's gonna be the most beautiful day in the Philippines or universe tomorrow sa Miss Universe Philippines dahil coronation night na nga. At syempre nandito talaga tayo, we're getting down to business kung nasaan nagaganap ang grand rehearsals ng pinaka magagandang babae sa Pilipinas. At kasama ko nga ngayon, ilan sa mga kandidata, pati rin syempre ang Executive Vice President ng Miss Universe Organization Philippines, Voltaire. Voltaire, congratulations. Ladies, congratulations.
Thank you.
Parang ready na sila.
Yes, they are. Actually, they've been rehearsing since Tuesday pa. And they've been working non-stop. The dance, oh my gosh, you guys have to wait for it because they're amazing. We were actually worried in the beginning. We're thinking, can they handle it? And they can.
Pinahirapan nyo?
Pinahirapan. This is one of the more complicated dance routines. And, well, she's here. So it's going to be amazing. I think this is something that the pageant fans have been wanting to see. And it's also something that's a bit different from the normal pageant opening number. Kasi diba usually sway, high. But this year it's like, no, dancing talaga.
Parang baka mamaya, parang pang pipa pa.
Yes. Well, actually, diba yung pang social media, pang TikTok and all that. So it's no surprise that they can all dance really well.
Wow. And it's parang every year the bar is set higher for our beauty queens, especially the format. Isa sa mga pinaka-inaabangan pag Miss Universe Philippines ay yung format po ng competition na lagi kayo may pabulaga, 'di ba? Taon-taon. So this year, what are we expecting?
Well, this year, as you know from the press presentation, we really emphasized that we wanted the fans to have a little bit more participation. So we had the Maya voting. And at first we were hesitant, but now, after seeing the results, I think the fans have been so happy. And of course, the delegates were so happy when we revealed the top 10 who got through the Maya votes in Misamis Occidental.
I saw the finalists of Maya, and also how important are the fans this time around? They've always fueled the whole pageant scene, but how important are they this time around, syempre, sa Miss Universe Philippines coronation bukas?
So this year they've had a huge say in who gets into the semifinals, and that was evident in the top 10 Maya votes. But they'll also get another chance to be a judge. You be a judge for the Maya because they can register and to be a judge during finals night.
I love that. And syempre, please invite everybody tomorrow because parang nakita ko nandito na rin yung BGYO, magre-rehearse na rin sila. Si Marina Summers nandito na rin.
Yes, everybody's here. All the performers are here. And we hope that we see everybody on May 2 at the Mall of Asia Arena. And with all of the girls there, they will truly be needing your support. And we want you there. Thank you.
Yes, of course, live din tayo sa 1PH at kinabukasan po. 7 p.m. po yan sa 1PH. Naka-live ang Miss Universe Philippines. And of course, kinabukasan ng 9 a.m. sa TV5. Yan muna ang latest mula rito sa rehearsals ng Miss Universe Philippines.